This is Carl with the three things I'm watching for Thursday, April the 10th. Starting out, you guessed it, tariffs. The latest developments. Apparently, we've dropped all of our blanket. We're going with basically, here's the deal. For the next 90 days, we have tariffs on China. Um, and that's really kind of all we know right now. This is moving nonstop. We did pause the tariffs for 90 days on other parties that didn't retaliate against the United States. Obviously, the trade war escalating with China, but overnight we did have the European Union put a 25% tariff on the United States in response to our steel and aluminum tariffs on those. So the tariff story, there's headlines out this morning that the trade war is done, and I'm going to tell you it is not done. Um, we may be through the worst of it for now, but uh, we're in a pause. We're fighting with China. The EU has stepped in. We're not done with this, but we are in enough of a reprieve. It's given the market a bit of a break here, and that's what we really need is just to stop the bleeding for a little bit, regroup, get through this week. But like I said, I don't think you've heard the last of the tariffs at all. It's Thursday. We're going to get the export sales out today. We've had a little bit better demand here on the market break. We've had some flash sales. Should have a meal sale show up. Big one that we had to the Philippines should show up in today's sales report. We'll be looking to see if we have any cancellations. I doubt if we see too many over the week. The one thing that we want to start watching a little more are new crop sales to see if we start to layer in some of those. Not a lot of new crop demand for us. Starts to build usually, as we get into this time of year. So we'll see if that picks up a bit. And today we get the WASDE report, that April WASDE report. Usually not a big factor. Looking for just minor adjustments to corn, maybe 25, 30 million bushels less corn carry out. Soybean carry out expected to hold about steady from last month, and wheat carry out up maybe 5 million bushels. So not a huge change there. We'll be looking at what takes place in South America. I don't expect to see huge adjustments to the South American crops, but the analysts down there do have been saying that they favor the downside. They've been dropping back, puts them a little bit in line with the USDA, so we might not see an adjustment there at all. Other than that, hopefully we can get back to some traditional fundamental trading here a little bit. Those are the three things I'm watching today.